Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, simply right click here, select run and type here temp and click on OK. Now on this window we need to select all these files, right click on it and select delete. We have to delete all the files from the temp. So after that, close this window, then right click here, select task manager. You have to right click on the task bar and the task manager window will open. On this window, click on run new task, then we have to just click on browse button, then click on this PC and now open C drive. On this window we have to just scroll down and open Windows folder. After that, find out system32 folder and just double click on it to open it, then find out cmd.exe file, select it and we have to click on open. After that, we need to check this box to create this task with administrative privileges, then click on OK and we need to execute some commands here. So type all these commands carefully and execute them. We need to type in sfc space /scan file equal to c:\windows /system32 /ie frame.dll and simply hit enter to execute this command. After that, we need to type in sfc space /verify file equal to c:\windows /system32 /ie frame.dll and hit enter. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window. Then we need to again right click here, select run and this time we have to type in prefetch, click on OK. Now here you will get the multiple files and folders, so simply select all these files, right click on it and select delete. Now close this window, again just open run. You have to press Windows key plus R key together to open run, then type in %temp%, then click on OK. Again we need to select all these files from the temp folder, right click on it and select delete, click on delete and just skip the another files. So close this window and in the last step we have to restart the system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.